What do we got, Scotty? Where's your light? I need light. Come on. Just give me the light. There we go.
Over tighten.
And loose.
Yeah.
There's either loose or over tightened.
Well, at some point they were over tightened because, and I'll show you why I say that.
I'm pulling out the old BJ. It is a Moog. And here's our new BJ.
Oh yeah, I already measured that out to.
Just make sure it's the same.
Yeah, no, I did that before I even started this portion of the job.
I like how the new style has the integral boot.
Mm-hmm.
Way nicer. Moog upped their game, I feel.
Yeah, they did. Moog has been
Moog's
progressively becoming better and better.
When we ran street stocks before we could run the long Howe rebuildable badass ball joints, yeah, you had to run stock stuff and stock arms even. And you just got Moog because you get the other ones and they would just, the wall would be your friend really fast.
Now, to prove my point, yet again,
You're always proving things.
that's supposed to be a circular hole.
Yeah.
What part of that is circular?
Nothing.
Okay, now.
That's supposed to be a flat plane. What part of that is flat? It's all, well, because not tightened properly.
I mean, it takes
2 minutes.
seconds.
To do it right. Yeah, that's never been greased other than the factory grease as well. Look at that. That looks brand new. Like, well, not.
Yeah, I know what you're
You know
saying.
what I mean.
Yeah.
The grease fitting. Okay, so garbage, scrap pile. I'd keep the little bolts so we could use those for something.
We
have a misc hardware drawer because. Is that how you treat a BJ when you're done?
No, normally it's your cab is here.
Anywho. All right. Nice Moog going in. Looking good, Scotty. Looking good. Ooh. Feisty with the blade.
Surgical precision this morning.
Circumcision.
Oh my God.
Hear about the guy that went into surgery? Doctor said to do a circular incision and instead gave him a circumcision. Needless to say, he was a bit short. All right, so that's ready.
We are playing with nuts, dear.
Oh yeah. What was that? All right. Trampolina is handling his nuts.
Hey, I resemble that remark.
Yes.
Unfortunately, this top ball joint has one more nut than I do.
It goes on like this.
Every day.
All right, get that tightened up, and then
So we're gonna tighten up BJ.
yeah, we're gonna.
I love a tight BJ.
Nice tight BJ.
I just do. It makes
Get
it
rid of the
just. It
sloppy
literally makes the world go round.
You want to go around the world?
And I.
I know that song. All right. Anyway, Scotty's going to continue on. And we will check back with him in a little bit. In a little bit. Because he's doing BJ's, dear.
Hey, $20 is $20. That's all I gotta say.
I mean, you know. You can either do this for an hour or you can use your knees in minutes and be done.
This is true.
The rumor on Grindr is you're the throat goat.